Here are 10 rising and trending repos on GitHub. Apollo-11 is the actual source code that flew the Apollo-11 command and lunar modules, preserved here in assembly language. The repo includes build instructions, historical contracts, and translations into over 20 languages, so you can compile and explore the flight software yourself. It's a rare chance to see how mission-critical systems were built when every byte mattered. AI-hedge-fund is a proof-of-concept repo that simulates an AI-powered trading team. The README shows 3 specialized agents, valuation, fundamentals, and portfolio management, working together to analyze stocks and generate trade ideas, though it's strictly for learning, not real money. It's a clean example of how multi-agent systems can break down a complex workflow into smaller, focused tasks. The Pascal editor lets you build and share 3D architectural projects right in the browser using React 3 Fiber and WebGPU. The README breaks down a turbo repo monorepo with clear separation, core handles, node schemas, and scene state, while the viewer package renders everything. It's a solid example of how to structure a complex 3D tool without mixing concerns, and the live demo shows the workflow feels smooth. GenericAgent is a self-evolving AI agent that starts with just 3,300 lines of code and grows its own skill tree to control a local computer. It uses 9 basic tools and a lightweight loop to automate tasks, while using 6 times fewer tokens than typical agents. The README shows a clear evolution flow and quick start commands, so builders can see how a minimal core can scale into full system control without heavy overhead. Claude Mem is a plugin for Claude Code that quietly records every edit, command, and output during your coding sessions. It uses Claude's agent SDK to compress that history into embeddings, then pulls the most relevant pieces back into later chats so you don't have to re-explain context. The README shows a quick start CLI, local SQLite storage, and a gateway for custom search tools. Clear signals it's built for developers who want memory without leaving their editor. Andrej Karpathy Skills is a single Claude MD file that turns Andrej Karpathy's observations on LLM coding pitfalls into practical prompts. It gives Claude clear rules: think before coding, keep changes small, and stay goal-driven, so the model doesn't guess wrong assumptions. The README breaks down each principle with examples, and the whole thing is just one markdown file you can drop into any project. It's a good example of how small, focused prompts can shape AI behavior without extra tooling. OpenAgents is an open-source starter kit for building cloud-based coding agents that run on Vercel. It bundles the web UI, agent runtime, sandbox orchestration, and GitHub integration, so you can go from prompt to code changes without keeping your laptop on. The repo is meant to be forked and adapted, not treated as a black box, and the README walks through the 3-layer architecture and what you'll actually need to deploy. It's a practical way to see how background agents can work without reinventing the whole stack. Magika is a file type detector that uses a small deep learning model to guess what's inside a file just by looking at its bytes. The README shows it running as a CLI, a Python package, or in JavaScript, so it fits into pipelines, apps, or browser extensions. Google says they use it at scale to keep users safe, which gives the approach some real-world proof: small model, fast inference, and clear confidence scores. Public APIs is a community-curated directory of free APIs you can drop straight into prototypes or side projects. The README breaks them into categories like animals, anime, and finance, so you can scan for the data you need without digging through docs. It's a simple idea that saves builders from reinventing the wheel every time they need external data. Claude-Code-Game-Studios turns a single Claude session into a full game dev team. The repo shows 49 AI agents organized like a real studio: art, code, design, and production, each with its own prompt and skill set. You type /commands to assign tasks, and the agents coordinate the work. It's a practical example of how builders can structure AI collaboration at scale. Subscribe to Build Things with AI for more AI tools.